This is a quick tutorial video about the Kapow time card system. I use it when I'm working for projects. Excellent way to keep track of time. I'm going to show you how to get it first. I'm going to post a link down in the comment section of this video, so just go down there, find the link, and click on it. Once you click on the link, it should bring up a window that's automatically going to want to download the software. So you should have a compression format software on your computer. So all you'll have to do is click open with, and whatever it says there, hit OK, and it should work. Let that open up. So we've got all the files here that we need. The only thing now is it's in a zip file, so we're going to need to unzip that. So I'm going to come over here to my champ folder, and I'm going to create a new folder, and you could just name it time or whatever you want to do to put the Kapow software in. Go ahead and go into that folder, grab all these files over here, and drag them into it. That's going to go ahead and extract it for you. That's done. You can see that Kapow now shows up. All the files are there. You don't have to download anything. It's nice because it's just there. And if you go ahead and double click on Kapow now, it should run. And I've already took the liberty to create a test account here, and I just put some hours in just to show you a couple things. And if you hit start, it starts timing, and stop obviously stops it. So pretty intuitive that way. What you're going to see though is a blank screen, so you're going to need to go to project and add. And so I'll just call this one test 2. And so this is probably what you're going to see. You're just going to need to add a project. Call it whatever you want. So as you can see, you can get a bunch of projects going, and you can keep track of different projects all at the same time. So there are a couple situations that might happen. Say you clock in at 8 or 11 a.m. and you forget to clock out, and next thing you know, it's 11 p.m. So it says you worked for almost 12 hours, but that's not the case. So what you can do is you can actually edit that. Obviously, you're going to want to be honest when you're doing this, but say I only worked till 12. I can just double click right on it, and that allows me to edit it. Or I can right click on it, and that brings up an edit menu there, and then just type in 12. I just went from 11 hours to 1. So obviously you can edit your hours, and that way you can get the most accurate timing possible. Another neat thing about the program is, say that these hours were all put in on your time card and you're done with them, you can just click build, and then you notice how they kind of go gray there. If you come up to the show all part and show only unbilled, now that's only going to show the things that I haven't been paid for, basically. And you can just show all to see all of those. And anyway, that's just a nice little thing. One last thing, once you minimize it, say you got a bunch of tabs down here and you don't want to have them all, and you don't necessarily want the test thing there, the Kapow, you can just click on the little time clock over here, and it will take it away for you. So, and when it's running, that time clock will be green. So if it's running, I can minimize it, click on the clock, and it takes it away. Click on the icon again, bring it back up. Anyway, it's pretty intuitive software. You won't mess it up, obviously. Just kind of play around with it, and I'm sure you'll figure it out.